Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove front seat on BMW E46. This one should cover the generation from 1998 to 2006. We will explain how to do that on convertible and non-convertible models as well. We guys have more than 200 videos on E46. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know guys what you think about the content. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So removing the front left or front right passenger and driver seat, the procedure is about the same. We'll explain all that. So we'll demonstrate on the driver's seat, but the passenger should be the same. So let us show you guys what needs to be done now. We'll be demonstrating here on convertible and we'll explain about the non-convertible models as well. The convertible seat is extremely heavy, especially the power seats. Okay, we're going to scoot it all the way to the back. Here towards the front we have a few caps that we need to remove. One here. Okay, let me close this thing here. And one on this side, over there. Perfect. Now once you remove the caps guys, you have two nuts that you need to remove. Okay, just like that. And one more on the other side. Perfect. Now we're going to scoot the seat all the way to the front. And if you guys want to see any specific videos, just drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem, guys. Okay, now we need to go more. Okay, and now we're going to move the seat like that. Here now guys, we have one bolt here, one bolt over there. And if you have a convertible model, you will have one more bolt. And we'll show you where it is located. I think the Sedan and the Coupe, the two-door BMW E46, will not have the fifth bolt, but you always have to double check. It really depends on the configuration and all that stuff. Okay, working on this one now. Great, this is a long bolt. One right there. Okay, very good. And now the convertible guys, we have a hidden bolt. Okay, towards the front. Okay, right here. And we can lift the seat up if you need to a little bit with the adjustment. Okay, like that, so we can reach a little bit better. Okay, the bolt that is the hardest to go will be the most inconvenient one. That's the one that will not go by hand. I don't know why it always happens that way, but that's how it is, guys. Perfect, this one's out. Now, you will guys need to scoot the seat to the back some. Okay, and you will need to go ahead and disconnect your car battery. At least wait 30 minutes after you disconnect your car battery to disconnect the wiring harness for the seat. Why? Because it's part of the airbag system. So, how you guys disconnect it? Okay, we already got the terminals loose. You need to disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, and then you disconnect the positive cable after that. Be careful because this one is part of the airbag system. And we'll wait about 30 minutes to an hour before we continue. So, I can scoot up the seat to the back. It is stuck on the front a little bit. Okay, great, like that. This is, guys, the connector for the seat, how you disconnect that. Okay, right here now, you can pull that black thing like that, pull the wire out, and you're ready to go. From that point on, all I have to do, just grab the seat. This one is one very, very heavy seat, guys. And I have the steering wheel in the way, so I don't want to scratch things. And came out like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.